for yeah. Do you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Great. I shall stop my video. Give me a time to stop my video. Stop video. Okay. Do you see only my screen?
Yeah.
Great. We shall open our files. This is for Julia. Look, I have many softwares here in my laptop. I have is titles, title B, subtitle edit, AG sub, and so on. So I have many softwares. So it can give it this icon by default, but I can manage it. I can control it from here. I'll open it with subtitle edit as long as we are as long as we are training on this software. Okay, this is advanced one. This is the most advanced one and paid software. I still have a time. I still have time to get training on it. I just I still a beginner in is titles, but other softwares like Title B, AG Subtitle Edit, Camtasia, I'm advanced trainer. Okay, let's open.
Okay.
Let's open Subtitle Edit. This is Julia. Okay, let's get our video. Open video file. Okay, I see you have no issues here. This is the first line. This is the second line. It's okay. But here, you have no punctuation, Julia. Punctuation matters. Most matters. 2 years ago, I have an issue with punctuation in one of my subtitling projects. My client refused the project, the whole project, and asked me to edit the whole files and put my punctuation. You see. So punctuation matters, whether it's a transcription, a translation, subtitling, captions, and so on. We have to commit to punctuation rules in our language, whether it's English, Arabic.
It's like we translate, like transcribe the text by normal way, but here it's by time code and nothing more. Because when a linguist transcribe with no time code, only the text, you must to follow the linguistic rules, right?
Great. You got it. Great. That's what I mean.
But Shaimeh,
Yeah.
but I have a question. For example, on the first line, what is COVID-19? So it should be a question mark.
We can make it like that and put question mark like that, but we cannot put a full stop like that, because in titles we do not put full stops, but we can let it like that or put question mark like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
here,
full stop, we do not put full stop.
no, with titles, no. You see, with titles, we do not put full stops. Okay. Okay, but any other sentences we commit to punctuation marks. Here we have to put full stop. Okay. Here you begin with lowercase. Okay, we have to change it to uppercase. But let it now.
Because at the beginning I put with the uppercase, but then I thought that maybe like You were mentioning that it should be all with lowercase, so I start to think that maybe it should be with
No,
lowercase.
no,
So
no,
when I
no.
change
Lower.
to lower.
No, I mean lowercase with some cases like BM, AM.
Okay, okay. Now I understand.
Yeah, yeah. But we commit to all linguistic rules in our subtitling. In our sub.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Great, great, great. Okay. Here, let it to the end of our work. I'll show you how to fix these errors, these common errors from here. You see this edit.
Get? Uh-huh.
No, no. This tools. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
tools. We will use this option, this function.
Fix common
Fix
errors.
common
Uh-huh.
errors. Yeah, yeah. After finishing our file, we will fix common errors through this option. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
great. Let it now. I may have symptoms of fever, chills. Okay, I told you that we can let them separately as they appear in the animation in the video. Let's listen to this.
and may have symptoms of fever, chills, and may have symptoms of fever, chills,
Great, you make it right. Fever or chills.
cough, sore throat,
Here you have to put the comma. Yeah, comma. You see, for these issues,
Yeah.
my client refused the files and asked me to redo my work again. Great. The time coding is
shortness of breath,
perfect.
or loss of taste or smell. Most people have mild symptoms and recover, but some people, like older people or people with medical conditions, may
Here you have an issue. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Can you got it? This,
Yeah, it should be.
this,
It should be.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. This line, the issue, you thought that this is a mistake, okay? That's not
Yeah.
a mistake. In this line, we have the duration. The number of characters is more than the limits of duration, okay? But it's okay as long as you have no choice, you have no time or space here to drag forward or backward to make it perfect. You see that that line, you thought that this is a mistake, but it's perfect. This line is
So
perfect.
it's not. It's not a mistake.
Yeah, yeah, it's not a mistake as long as you have no other choice. So just skip it and complete your work.
Okay.
Okay, here in that case you have to skip it and complete your work. Okay.
Yeah.
The issue here in that line you see
may get seriously ill and may even need to go to the
we
hospital.
have we have to drag our line here like that.
Uh-huh.
You see, we solve
Yeah.
it. You see,
Okay.
Uh, it's very easy. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
he begins from here. Your line was late a bit. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
COVID-19 is very contagious. It can spread when a person coughs or sneezes the virus into the air. People may breathe in the virus or touch the virus on surfaces. You can get sick when touching your face if you have the virus on your hands.
Great. Here we can solve this issue. Julia and Larissa,
Mm.
you are listening. Here we can
Yes.
here we have space. You see this
Mm-hmm.
space? we can
Yeah.
solve, yeah, we can solve the duration issue here. So we can drag it forward like that. Mm, you see
Yeah. Ah, okay.
here?
So we will drag it. We will drag it until it will be
Yeah,
unmarked
yeah,
in duration
yeah, yeah,
depth. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
But in the previous line, we have no space to drag it or to control it. So just skip it and continue your work. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Shaimeh, I have a question. Why we cannot, like extend from the beginning if we have space?
From the beginning.
The subtitles will be appear a bit early, but we will, in this case, we also can solve the issue. Or it can be from the once person talking, we can, the subtitles must be appear.
Yeah, yeah. You mean just drag it like that?
Yeah,
If we drag it like that, our
But it,
our
but it will
our
not
yeah,
play.
yeah, our speech, okay, will appear before the speaker speaks, before
yeah, I
he
know. But
starts.
if we want to solve the issue, for
No, we
example,
can't. No, we can't get it forward, but we can drag it back, forward. Sorry, forward, not backward. If we
ah,
drag it backwards like that,
mm,
our speech will appear before our speaker begins speaking. So this is,
Yeah.
so
yeah, yeah,
it's impossible. That's
yeah,
my query. What
yeah.
in case if we have free space before
Yeah,
speaker
we can.
starts?
Yeah,
Like,
we can drag it forward to solve this issue of duration. To
Of
give,
duration.
yeah,
Yeah.
to give our audience time to hear or and see, to see our subtitles appearing on the screen.
okay.
Okay.
Tell me more about how you can stop the spread in South Australia. Visit stopthespread.sa.gov.au.
Okay, this line. I mean, this line. We have we do not have to miss any speech. So as long as we are listening and we have time and space to write a speech, we have to transcribe it or to translate it. So you have to write your, yeah, so you have to write this, fill in this line, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Not
Understand. Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah, not letting it empty like that, because when we fix common errors now, it will be deleted and we will miss some
Oh.
information. Yeah, and we may miss some important information in our video.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah, let's, after finishing our work and get it perfect, we have to do the following. First, we will spell check to see
Mm-hmm.
mistakes. Just skip this. Okay, COVID. Okay, we will skip it. Skip one. Okay, skip.
And actually, I was doing Shaimeh, when I was before delivering the
Yeah.
file to you. I was doing this spell check.
Great, great. I just remind you to do my to do our work step by step. Just remind you,
Okay.
okay? Great, great. We will skip.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's okay. We have number of correct words 0, number of skipped words 8, number of correct words 119. Great. This is the word count. This is the word count of our
Uh-huh.
file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you want to know your word count of your work, you can use this function. Okay. Let's use our
Okay.
tools. This tools fix common errors.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You see all these options. I click them all. Okay. Here you see
Mm-hmm.
remove empty lines, unused line breaks. It will remove it.
Yeah.
It will fix overlapping display times. If there is any overlapping, it will fix it. It will fix short display times, short times or duration. If there is a time, if there is a space, but if there is no space, it will skip it and continue. You got
Mhm.
it?
Yes.
Okay. It will
Yeah.
also fix short gaps, fix invalid italics tags, remove unneeded spaces. If there is double space, it will remove it. It will fix missing spaces also. It will remove unneeded periods. If you have periods you don't need them, it will remove them. It will fix commas. If there is double commas, if there is no comma, it will fix them. It will break long lines. It will break. Yeah, I mean break down them.
Mhm.
It will remove line breaks in short text. If you have short text and you don't have to do line break, it will return it to one sentence only. It will make it one sentence. It's just a short line and short line. You have two short lines, and there is no need to make a line break. So it will make it one line in one sentence.
Ah, okay.
Great. It will also remove line breaks in short texts. Replace. Okay, we don't need here because this is not a song. Here you see this. It will start with uppercase letter after paragraph. It will make
Mhm.
uppercases. Yeah. It will start with uppercase letter after period inside paragraph. It will start with uppercase letter after colon or semicolon. It will add the missing quotes. If you have missing quotes, it will add it.
Mhm.
It will fix dash in dialogues. I show them to you yesterday, I think. When you have
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah. You
dialogue,
did.
yeah, you have to add the dash before the speaker A and speaker B, for example. Also, it will remove dialog dashes in single line. If you have a single line and make a dash for a dialogue, this is wrong. It will remove it. It will also fix subtitles with more than two lines. If you have more than two lines, it will fix it and make it only two lines. That's all. Okay. We click next. Okay, here it gives me a red alert. It says 10 issues could be fixed. The subtitle will still contain errors. Okay, so we have to
Mhm.
apply all these errors. You see,
Yeah.
the
Mhm.
yeah, we will apply selected fixes. Okay,
Mhm.
there is still two lines with no fixes. So this is the issue you suffered yesterday. So
Yeah.
I told
Mhm.
no now, as long as you do not have space to fix this error, so just
Mhm.
skip it and complete your work. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
you see. Okay, we will make here. Okay,
Okay.
you see, it fixed.
Yeah. Mhm.
but but this is just this is automated or like automated or like Google Translate, like machine
Mhm.
translation. That is the same idea. So we have to fix our errors manually even after playing this option. Okay,
Yeah. Mhm.
here I think we have to make it capital letter.
Capital letter. Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Here we have to put full stop and so on. You got it. You
Yes.
got the idea.
Yeah.
It removes the empty line. You
Mm-hmm.
remember the empty line you made in the
Yes, yes.
yeah yeah
At the
it
end. Mhm.
yeah yeah it removes it. So we have to add it again and add our text here. Okay, Julia.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I understand. Mm-hmm.
Great work, Julia. Great work. This is Julia's file. Okay, save. Yes. Let's see Larisa's file. It's important to have this feedback after every session. It's important to make this assignment and have feedback. I think it's okay. There is no issues, just the issues of duration. We will see if we can fix it or not. I see. It's okay. 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 You see that? You see this?
Mm-hmm.
You see? We can fix it. We still have time.
Yes, we can drag it forward,
Forward
right?
like
Yeah,
this.
we can do it. But
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't know why it's not bring for once I'm doing it's not bring for me error. This error, I don't know. Maybe it's I use I think
I think
uh
there is something different in your options
yeah,
for other language. Yeah. Yeah.
because I didn't see this
Yeah,
notification. Ah,
yeah,
for
great.
sure.
You have you yes, you have to modify your options to suit the language you are working on. Here
Yeah.
here the encoding, if it changes other than UTF-8, we may have our work like symbols. If we choose any other encoding from those, we may, after saving our file, we may have it like that, like symbols, like, sorry, like symbols like that. We may have no speech here, or no written words like that. We may have
Okay,
our
got it.
speech, yeah, yeah, we may have our file symbols like that. So you have to make sure that your encoding is UTF-8, okay, for your language, whether it's English, Arabic, or any other foreign language. Okay, that's
Okay.
an important tip. I see you have no missing punctuation. Great. And you have upper cases in the first of sentence. Great, great. Just double click like that to see your. Here we can fix it. And here also
Yeah.
we can fix it. Okay, we can fix it like that. You can fix the duration. We fix it.
Okay.
Okay, here also just double click on the line. It will appear here in red color. Also we can fix it. We just fix it like that. You see, it's very easy. Also we can fix it as long as we have space here to give the audience opportunity to see and read my subtitles. So we have to
Mm-hmm.
fix our duration to give them the opportunity to read our subtitles. Okay, just enough. I have no space to fix it other than that. That's okay. Great. I think you do not have issues here. Just we will use the spell check it's okay. We will skip these terms. Okay, 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 okay. Just we will use also fix common errors to deliver clean work to our client. We have to fix common errors from here. That's some sort of QA, quality assurance and quality check. Fix common errors. Okay, I click all the options here. I'll click next. You have only these issues. One, two, three, four, five. You have only five issues here. We can fix it here. It alerts me. It told me it tells me that we have five issues could be fixed in the subtitle, but there can still be some issues can't be solved. So it's okay. Just skip them. We will apply selected fixes here. Okay.
And it's
Was
give the full stop after
great.
COVID. After
It
yeah,
give
it's here.
yeah,
It's
it gave you
yeah.
the full stop. Okay, we can delete it manually. We will press OK. We will delete it manually like that. We can let it like that or put our question mark like that. So now we have clean work. I'm very very pleased to have your files perfect like that with no great issues or faults. Time coding was very perfect. I think we have to finish this session in 9 minutes. So
Yeah.
don't go away. We will complete this session.
Okay.
This session was for our feedback for this assignment. It's very important to have feedback for your first trials in this subtitling course. Okay, so don't get bored. This is an important step in our work. Let's save our work like that. Larissa, save. Yes. I want to show you some options here. If you missed your work or something happened, the light went on, the internet was poor or something, you can restore your last versions from here. Restore auto backup from here.
Mhm.
See it? This is an
Yeah, yeah,
important, yeah, this is an important option.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Yeah. You see how many
yeah.
versions?
Uh-huh.
Do you see?
Yeah, so you have backup on all
This is,
your.
yeah, in my laptop, it gives me other versions from other work. You see?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
A lot of work. It saves
Mm-hmm.
a lot of versions for the same work.
Mm-hmm.
In case I have to I have some missing files or some missing information my files, I can return it. I can get it back.
Mm-hmm.
This is a great option. This is your work. You see, Larissa have
Yeah.
five, yeah, have six versions. Julia have about 10 versions. It's important to have this option. Okay, press
Mm-hmm.
OK. Okay, great. Let's close this file. And do you have questions?
Not
No.
not yet.
Not yet. Okay. You see, you have no difficulties to make time coding. This is the core. This is the core idea of subtitling. Subtitling means
Okay.
perfect time coding. If you can if you can manage to, if you are able to do perfect time coding, you can deliver perfect SRT file, whether it's SRT or any other format required in subtitling work. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday and today we were making SRT file. The files, the previous files, we just closed, revised and closed, were SRT files. Okay,
Yeah.
SRT files. We know also yesterday how to make our line breaks in logic points.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's very easy for you now. We know how to fix duration and the minimum duration, which is 1 minute per subtitle event, and the minimum limitation, and 7 minutes per subtitle event. Okay, this is the maximum duration. uh, this is the whole idea, or the key, or the core idea of subtitling, which is time coding. Time coding means perfect subtitling. Perfect subtitling requires perfect time coding. Let's see today our special instruction. Our special instructions may be in Arabic, English, French, Russian, or any other language. Let's see our instructions here. That's for your information, because I know that you work in project managing and may face Arabic language files. Okay, Larissa. I think,
Yeah.
I think,
Well,
yeah,
I didn't work in Arabic anymore.
you do not work in Arabic, but maybe you can face some Arabic files, or see it, or deal with it.
I have only alignment issues with the Arabic, nothing
Yeah.
more.
Great. I know that. I know that. I know that there is other project managers for Arabic. Okay. In Arabic,
Okay.
we don't have diacritics, or we say it al harakat, which is fatiha, like that, fatiha, and dhamma, and the kasra, dhamma, like that. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
You see
Yeah.
this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You see this?
yeah,
You see this? these these have
yeah.
this is a rule.
Oh,
This is a rule in Arabic. We have to use it in a specific way. I want
Oh.
I want to explain it to you, as long as you don't have to deal with the Arabic in your work, but you have to know these rules, so I can
Mm-hmm.
convert this file into PDF and send it to you.
All right.
For,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
for your information only.
Mm-hmm.
I know you have to know your linguistic rules in your language, but for your information, in case you face any issues during your work in any other language other than your native one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just skip this. Here is important issue today we have to deal with: subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing. For the deaf and hard of hearing. We say it SDH. SDH, the abbreviation or the acronym of subtitles for the deaf and the hard of hearing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We have to know some guidelines. Okay. I think we will share these guidelines the next video. I have to close this session in order not to miss some information, and to begin these guidelines from the next part of the session. Okay.
Okay, all right, waiting.
Okay, so don't go
Okay.
away.
Okay, waiting.
We
Yeah.
we just have 1 minute or 2 minutes break and
Yeah.
continue our sessions. Okay.
We're with you, don't worry.
Okay. Stay tuned and don't go away.
Thank you.
Okay, waiting.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye for
Okay.
now.
Bye bye for
Mhm.
now.
Share.